In today's video, a walking tour of downtown Belo Horizonte, the capital of Minas Gerais. Watch the full video and learn more. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel. Get to know the center of the capital of Minas Gerais in a different way. Taking the entire tour on foot, walking, stopping, feeling the vibrant city, its atmosphere. The coming and going of people, the vibration and movement of the center of a great capital of Brazil. Experience it. At each block, a surprise, an angle, a feeling, a story to tell. This experience combines history, culture, architecture, gastronomy, and many stops for photos, buying handicrafts. The possibility of visiting traveling exhibitions and tasting a little bit of the cuisine. A very interesting experience, done on foot. You get to know better the details of each street, each building, each corner. There are different angles for photos, contemplating the city. Tourism in Belo Horizonte offers excellent options for both day and night, with good restaurants, bars, concert halls, and a tourist complex. The city is known for being the cultural center of the state of Minas Gerais. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you so much for... Bye.